summit focused really on the cultural richness of the African American experience to make sure that they know the story and that they know their own story.
Over 750 students are being hosted here at San Diego City College. There's tons of workshops available to teach them about, what it takes to be a college student. These are some of the skills, no matter where you're going to need.
We got all the schools from the San Diego Unified School District, and we're inspiring them to own their story, to be it. This is about youth, right? It's about young people standing up, being strong, saying this is who I am, this is what I represent. And if we give them the courage to find their story, tell their story, and to be their story, we can change the whole narrative of San Diego, of our districts, so that the youth are more involved in creating the narrative.
Students have a lot of pressures, right? And they have multiple identities depending on, which setting they're in, right? So, for example, even as a faculty member, as an employee, as a professional, I have multiple identities that I struggle with. So if I'm in a professional setting, there's a certain way I'm expected to behave and talk and, express myself. And that's not unique to us, right? That's coming from experiences as a student and just, life. Nobody ever requires us or challenges us to sit there for 15 minutes and share with somebody else, okay, who do you pretend to be, right? And what that does, it actually, elicits more thinking, and I saw light bulbs going off as the activity was going on, and they were sharing some vulnerable things.
I was picked on when I was younger for being a mixed race and not conforming to one side or the other, which I think is unfortunate, but it's just something that you live with, where you wear different masks and you pretend to be different people in order to kind of fit in with everyone else. I think it definitely helps us give us a voice and understand who we are. So I think just coming to terms with that, you're not the only one out here dealing with this, helps you find a voice and helps you figure out who you're going to be.
Let all of our stories come together and let's communicate. Less of this is what you need to do and this is how you need to do it, and more of how can I support you and let your dreams come true.